Hello everyone, welcome to my channel World of AWS. I hope you all are doing good. Myself Bipin Kumar, okay, and we are continuing with RDS, AWS RDS, okay. So in last video I have shown you like how we can create AWS RDS database, okay. So our database have been created. So now I will show you how we can monitor it and what are the things we have to do under this, okay, database. Okay, so let's let me show you here. I have sorry, we have one database. So whenever like you have any huge traffic on your database, then you can check using this section, okay. Current activity, click on this, continue, and here we can see like top queries, what are the top queries as running. So there is no top queries and anything running on my database. And here we can see average, load by bits, average, um, active services, okay. Yes, and SQL statement here, whatever the SQL query is running, so we can see it here. And we can see active, um, average services, okay, here. And we can see the graph here, but I am not able to see the graph because there is no query and anything running on my database. And here we can see also the graph chart here, okay. So what are the queries are getting created and what are the tuples and a lot of things we can see it here, okay. So let's go back and go to the database configuration. Just click on it. Here we can see CPU utilization 2.73, status available, class, region, and engine, current activity here as well. So current activity, so in order to connect with our database we have to use the endpoint, okay. And whenever like you got request, hey please whitelist my IP to database, then you just have to click on this, open in new tab or something like that, okay. And you just have to add there the user IP in inbound route here, okay. And you can just select PostgreSQL and you can just add the IP of that user and you can save route, okay. That's it. You can whitelist any IP in your database using this way. And here we have a lot of subnets, 6 subnet, okay. And certificate authority, it's provided by AWS only. So here we have security group attached to our database. Replication, we have one instance only, we are not using any other instance. Here we can create proxy. uh, we can also like attach EC2 instance to our database. Like there is some other use cases available for this. And when we click on this, on monitoring things, then we can see it a lot of metrics here, like CPU utilization, database connection, DB load, and DB load CPU, DB non-load CPU, disk query depth, EBS bytes balance, EBS IO balance, free memory, and free local storage, free storage, and a lot of metrics are available. Here is the page, you can change it, okay. There are a lot of things are available, the metrics you can monitor using this to your DB database, okay. Here you can create alarm for any specific metrics, and you can put the threshold. If the if the services reach out the threshold, then it will trigger alert, okay, according to whatever parameter you have specified in the alarm, okay. Here you can check the logs as well. And if you want to check the log, then you can click on this and you can download and you can check the logs. And here is the configuration for our database. Okay, and here we have maintenance and backup. Here we have tag, so we have to give the tag. And let's go back to, and if you want to modify it, then you need to click here, and you can do the modification according to your requirement. So see, enable auto mirror version upgrade. Okay, so db instance maintenance window, so it's UTC time, so it will go under maintenance according to this time UTC. Okay, mm, what we have left here, so okay, let me click on it. Okay, so if you want to take the snapshot of this, okay, just we have to select our database, and here we can take a snapshot. Okay, and we can create the proxy, stop temporary, reboot, delete, setup EC2 connection, setup lambda connection, create replica, create aurora read replica. Okay, and take a snapshot, restore point in time. Okay, you can create the snapshot and you can restore point in time, migrate a snapshot, create RDS proxy, and you can do these things. Okay, now let's go here, and I have already explained these things. In order to connect with your RDS, you just have to copy this. Okay, and as I have created by default, whenever you create Postgres SQL database, then username will be Postgres, and while creating any database, the password will be different. You can set the password, it's mandatory, but username will be Postgres only. And if you want, you can change the username as well in order to connect with your database. Okay, and using this and username, using this endpoint and username and the password, you can connect with your database. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you like it, and you found this video informative. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, but if you have any query, then please do let me know in the comment section. And if you want me to make video on a specific topic, then please do let me know in the comment section. I will sure try to do my best on that. I will make video if your request come on a specific topic. So thanks, please do support, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks, have a nice day, see you in the next video.